TITIMKUP Gel Nail Polish Set. The gel polish is made of 9 non-toxic ingredients, safe, low odor and eco-friendly. Natural resin and mineral colors with good durability and high color rendering make your nails more beautiful. You will get 6 PCs, 8 ml each bottle. Beautiful green gel polish color set comes in a beautiful gift box. These popular and trendy colors are suitable for autumn and winter and everyday life. Liven up your life, show your style and glamour. This is an essential item in every girl's life and the perfect gift. Long wear gel nail polish. Gel nail polish can last up to 3 weeks after proper application. Use with primers and top coats to enhance nail color resistance and maintain good toughness to protect your nails. Soak off UV LED gel polish. Easy to use, you can DIY at home by yourself. Gel nail polishes need to be cured under LED, UV light and used with primers and top coats. 60 to 120 seconds on average for LED manicure lamps and 2 to 4 minutes for UV lamps. Reminder: if gel feels thick or tacky, place in hot water for 1 to 2 minutes, remove from water and shake well. Only used for nails, avoid contact with eyes, mouth and skin. Wash immediately should the product contact with them. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, we will provide you with 24/7 customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Cute design, will buy again. The package arrived on time and in good condition. The box design is cute and the colors are exactly what I ordered. No spillage, will buy more in the future.